Eating for weight control, a healthy weight, the pitfalls of dieting, food intolerance and food myths. In this video we'll focus on a healthy weight. Healthy weight basically comes under normal weight. If you want to know that your weight is normal, then you should know your BMI. BMI is your body mass index. It helps to know that whether the person is underweight, normal weight or overweight. Thus accordingly diet and workout can be done to gain or to reduce weight. अगर हमको अपना BMI निकालना है, then we have to use the formula that is weight upon height square. And BMI अगर हमारे पास आ जाता है, if the BMI is lower than 18.5, then हम किस कैटेगरी में फॉल करते हैं? Underweight. If our BMI falls in 18.5 to 25, then it's an optimal weight. Then 25 to 30, then means the person is overweight, and more than 30 or 30 upwards means that the person is an obese. So how you will define a healthy weight? It is simply a weight that lowers your risk from health problems, and generally BMI and waist size are good ways to achieve healthy weight. Here in this graph there are several categories of weight, that is underweight, normal, overweight, obese and clinically obese. If we know about our BMI, अगर हमको अपना BMI मालूम है, then we can know that हम किस category में fall करते हैं. Now next is energy used. So basically this stable weight depends on the balance between the energy we get from food and the energy we use. Now how this energy is being used? Number one is energy expended during rest. A person who is resting in bed and does not do any form of physical activity. एक person लेटा हुआ है and he is not performing any form of physical activity. He is in a still state. Then he will require about 1200 calories in a 24-hour period to maintain their essential functions. Means for our body to function even at rest, जो हमारे basal functions हैं body के, we need energy for that, and that is about 1200 calories that is required for breathing, blood circulation, cell growth and repair. Next, our energy is used to break down food. Means we need energy to break down food into smaller particles, and our body uses up to 10% of its energy to eat, digest and metabolize that food. Next, the energy which is used, that is during physical activity and workout. Most of the energy used in physical activity and exercising, because a vast majority of individuals perform at least some form of physical work. Obviously for their survival they used to perform, they used to have some food, and from that food they get energy for their physical work. अब physical work हैं जैसे कि walking, lifting objects, cleaning, dancing, exercising. So as the total amount of physical activity of an individual performance increases, then the individual's energy requirement increases. जैसे जैसे एक individual की performance increase करेगी, उस performance को increase करने के लिए जो energy requirement है एक individual की, वो भी increase होगी. Now for healthy weight, there are certain tips to control our body weight. There are certain tips for weight control. Number one is balanced diet. Then number two is eating lots of fibrous food, like food items, fruits, salad, vegetables. These are the rich sources of fibrous food. Then for healthy body, for the healthy weight, we have to avoid fats. Direct fats like butter, cream, ghee, animal fat, this should not be taken. Pure fat should be taken in the form of mustard oil, and that is used for cooking. Then physical activity should be done. We have to avoid junk food, avoid spicy food. We have to drink lots and lots of water. Then regular medical checkup, medicine only that is recommended by the doctor. Then avoid drinking, means drinking what? Alcohol and some of the like smoking. and chewing of tobacco. This should be avoided. And we have to take meals in small shifts. Means the diet should be taken in small shifts after some intervals rather than having big meals, because most of the people used to do that. They have the food in the morning, they will have a heavy breakfast or heavy food in the morning, they will skip, they will take a gap of around 4 to 5 hours and then they will have their next meal. So that should be avoided. Meal should be taken after every 2 hours. Then we have to follow certain hygienic habits, and never try slimming pills. Means we have not to take slimming pills or drugs because these are harmful for our body. So in next video we will talk about pitfalls of dieting.